Hello, pioneers. Today, we stand at the threshold of something extraordinary. A moment where visionaries from every corner of the globe come together, united by a shared dream. As the sun rises over the iconic Miami Beach Convention Center, Consensus Miami 2026 comes alive. This is more than just a conference. It's a global pilgrimage for dreamers, builders, and believers in a decentralized future. The city pulses with anticipation, ready to welcome the world's brightest minds. Thousands have gathered here, legendary crypto figures, quiet innovators, passionate newcomers, and seasoned veterans. Each person brings a unique story, a fresh perspective, and a desire to shape the next chapter of technology and human connection. The doors swing open to reveal a vibrant mix of attendees from over 100 countries, developers, investors, artists, regulators, and visionaries. This is the ultimate Web3 meeting point, where cultures and ideas collide and new collaborations are born. The energy here is electric, buzzing with excitement and possibility. It's a living testament to how far crypto has come and a powerful reminder of how much further we can go together. Yet, beyond the main stage and the bright lights, a deeper story quietly unfolds. The GCV community gathers, united by a purpose that transcends any single event, a commitment to building, learning, and supporting one another. While experts debate macro trends and the future of finance, GCV demonstrates the true soul of crypto: grassroots unity, collective action, and the belief that real change starts from the ground up. Today, we proudly launch the Hello Pioneers campaign, sending a message to the world. The true power of crypto lies not just in technology, but in the strength and spirit of its community. Together, we are unstoppable. At the heart of this incredible surge of energy is the Hello Pioneers campaign, our global rally cry, echoing across continents and cultures. It's more than just a slogan, it's a call to action, a spark that ignites our collective ambition and brings us together as one unstoppable force. Launched today to coincide with Consensus, the world's premier crypto gathering, it's a testament to what we can achieve when we unite around a shared vision. This campaign marks a new chapter, one that celebrates our progress and sets the stage for even greater accomplishments. Our ambitious goal is to raise $314,150, a number that's not just clever, but deeply meaningful. It represents pi, a symbol of infinite possibility, and reflects our shared aspirations for growth, innovation, and boundless potential within the GCV community. This campaign is for everyone, everywhere. It proves that our greatest asset isn't just money or technology, but the strength, passion, and creativity of our global network. Every voice, every contribution, every idea matters. By launching during Consensus, we're plugging directly into the epicenter of the crypto universe, showing the world what a mobilized, united community truly looks like. It's our moment to shine on the biggest stage. This is more than a campaign. It's a living case study of decentralized power in action. Millions are contributing, collaborating, and building together, not just talking about community, but actively living it every single day. Imagine it as a global festival of support and innovation, a vibrant celebration that marks a milestone in building a thriving, resilient GCV ecosystem for the future. Every participant becomes a co-author of our unfolding story, helping to write the next chapter of our shared journey. Your involvement shapes our legacy. This is our chance to make history together, to show the world what's possible when pioneers unite with purpose and passion. How can you join this movement and make a real difference? The answer is beautifully simple, yet incredibly powerful. Sometimes the smallest actions can have the biggest impact, and your voice truly matters here. All you need to do is head over to your favorite social media platform, search for campaign posts, and leave a comment that says, "Support GCV 314,159 It only takes a few seconds, but it sends a clear message of support. To make your comment even more meaningful, add your country's flag emoji. This simple gesture transforms the comment section into a vibrant, colorful mosaic, a tapestry of global solidarity and unity. Each flag represents a unique story, a personal journey, and every comment becomes a digital signature. Together, these signatures connect you to millions of others who share your hope for change. This is more than just a comment. It's a peaceful digital protest, a collective statement of unity and hope in a world that often feels divided. It's a way to show that we stand together no matter where we are. Every single comment adds to a growing chorus, a wave of voices that becomes impossible to ignore. As the notifications rise, so does the visibility of our cause, showing the world the strength and passion of GCV's coordinated network. Don't underestimate the power of this small action. Each comment is like a single drop of water, but together, these drops merge to form a mighty river that can shape the course of history. Your participation is what fuels our community's momentum and success. Every comment, every flag, every show of support brings us closer together and strengthens our shared mission. So today, take a moment to find a campaign post, write your message of support, add your flag, and join our global chorus. Your voice matters, and your action inspires others to join in. Be part of something bigger than yourself. Together, we can create a wave of change that echoes around the world. This campaign is about more than a dollar amount. $314,159 is a symbol, a focal point uniting us in purpose. The real value is in demonstrating the unbreakable spirit and unity of GCV. We're building a future where technology empowers everyone, laying foundations brick by brick, comment by comment. The process is the prize. Unity today becomes the bedrock for tomorrow's innovations. This is a story of hope and collaboration, with each pioneer a vital character. When people look back, they'll remember the flags, the comments, and the feeling of being part of something bigger. Our true legacy is the community we build together. Adding your country's flag to your comment is a stunning symbol of unity. Flags become threads in a global tapestry, Japan beside Brazil, Nigeria, Germany, Vietnam, showing our worldwide reach. This isn't a niche movement, it's a global family transcending borders and backgrounds. The flags celebrate diversity and our shared belief in community and equity. This visual proof captures attention, energizes our community, and draws in new pioneers. Every flag is a personal endorsement, a pioneer saying, "My country is here." You're not just a user, you're a representative of your nation in our global state. As you scroll through the flags, you feel the scale and unity of our purpose. Global participation is our engine. Seeing flags from around the world creates solidarity and a positive feedback loop. Your action inspires others. Our movement never sleeps. It's active across every time zone, making us impossible to ignore. This diversity enriches us, bringing unique perspectives and solutions to global challenges. By embracing global participation, we build a smarter, more adaptable ecosystem. Our legitimacy comes from this worldwide support, a living example of decentralized coordination. This global strength attracts partners and builds confidence. It's the social proof that fuels our growth and success. The invitation is for you. Your voice is essential. Our movement is a symphony of millions, and your note matters. Participation is the currency of community. It's how you invest in the future you want. Whether you're new or a long-time supporter, your contribution is welcome and needed. This campaign is the easiest way to make a difference. Just a moment of your time, with immeasurable impact. Don't let this moment pass. Be part of something historic. By adding your comment and flag, you join a global team of pioneers. The sense of belonging and pride is its own reward. Go to your social app, find a Hello Pioneers, post, type, support GCV $314,159, add your flag, and hit post. Join us now. Let's make history together. As Consensus Miami energizes us, remember, this campaign is just the beginning. It's a launchpad for a movement designed to last and evolve. Our goal, a thriving, equitable digital economy powered by GCV, where technology serves humanity. The Hello Pioneers campaign proves our ability to work together at scale. The strength we show now will attract the builders and partners we need. Every comment, flag, and share strengthens the human network behind our tech. This unity is our investment in the future, a promise to ourselves and the world. We are here to stay, united in purpose, building a reality for all. In the end, one truth remains: we are stronger together. The Hello Pioneers campaign is proof that only a community can turn ideas into reality. Our unity is our greatest resource, the force that makes the impossible possible. Look at the sea of flags and supportive comments. This is 21st century community spirit. Each voice and action adds to our momentum. There are no small parts. This spirit won't fade after consensus. It's the fire lighting our way forward. Let's carry this collaboration into everything we do, building and innovating as one global family. The future is ours to build, together.